This is the ExConnect add and update GL accounts video. So as you can see, we are selecting the source system, which is the company ID for GP. We're entering, in this case, we're adding a GL account, so we're entering a new GL account number, an account alias, an account typical balance from a drop-down list that is generated when you click on the cell. There are many fields that present this drop-down. Here you enter the account description, and finally the account posting type. In this case, we'll add more than one account number in one process, basically. Basically, the drop downs that appear when you click on the cell have that behavior for performance considerations. And now we hit the save. There's a validation that occurs based on field lengths, and then through ExConnect we update the GL accounts, or we create them. We saw that the update was complete, and we will verify in GP that those accounts were created. As we can say, new account 1, the settings match what we entered in Excel. We'll check for the second account. As we can see, it exists as well. Now we will connect to our company, basically the demo company that comes with GP, and we will list all the GL accounts that are there for that company. And this is to demonstrate the update capability of ExConnect on existing data through Excel. Again, the drop downs for the data that requires basically constant static data that we know comes from a certain source in GP, and so we populate it with that data. Here we're performing multiple changes on different GL accounts, and again we'll hit the save. It'll perform a validation on all the rows there. In a future version, is to be noted, of ExConnect, there's a concept basically of dirty records. In this, what we see in this video, it's basically updating every single row in the Excel spreadsheets. In the future version, basically only the rows that have been changed will be updated. Again, for performance considerations. And as we can see, the update is complete, and we will go into GP to verify the results to make sure that the updates are reflected in GP. As we can see, the changes are reflected in GP. Again, the update occurs through ExConnect, so there is that level of validation as well that occurs upon update. So to this point, we have seen that all the changes performed in the spreadsheet are reflected in basically GP.